defeats Kalanimi. When Shatrughna told Love to release the Ashwamedh horse, he replied bravely, "Who are you? I am ready to fight your army." Meanwhile, Kush came too and stood beside Love. Shatrughna was not able to bear such talk from a little boy. He warned the boys to get ready for a fight. The twins took position in the middle of the field and prepared their bows for an attack. Love shot an arrow called Rambhakastra at them, and all the men fell down in a very deep sleep. Hanuman too reached the place. He and Shatrughna were talking about the children's fighting skills. But later, Shatrughna flew into a rage when he saw his injured soldiers. He sent Kalan to deal with the adamant children. Love killed Kalanimi and sent a wave of terror through the army. The rest of the warriors fled after a violent attack by Love. Hanuman battles with Love. Love killed Kalanimi, a minister in Ram's court. After Kalanimi's death, Shatrughna sent Pushkal to fight Love. Pushkal was hit by Love's arrow and he fell down unconscious. Shatrughna's fury knew no bounds now, and he ordered Hanuman to finish off Love. Hanuman uprooted a huge tree and flung it at Love, but he cut it into several pieces by a volley of arrows. Hanuman then wound his ever-increasing tail around Love. Kush ran to his brother's aid. Love then shot a hail of arrows at Hanuman, who, after a very brave fight, fell down unconscious. The twins then grabbed the unconscious Hanuman by his tail and pulled him to the ashram to show their bravery to their mother Sita. Sita instantly recognized Hanuman. She was stunned with anguish. "Oh, sons, what have you done?" She immediately instructed her sons to release Hanuman and the horse they had got. They obeyed their mother's command and immediately set them free. A tulsi leaf satisfies Hanuman's hunger. After this incident, Hanuman felt like visiting Sita and her sons, Love and Kush, at sage Valmiki's ashram. He was fond of eating the delicacies made by Mother Sita. Hanuman once reached the ashram during the lunchtime. He was very hungry. He could smell the appetizing aroma of the food cooked by Sita. He asked Sita, "Mother, I am feeling very hungry. Can I have some food?" Sita knew that Hanuman was fond of eating, so she served him food quickly. Love and Kush were amazed to see Hanuman's appetite. The entire ration in the kitchen was about to finish. Sita kept on preparing more food for Hanuman, but Hanuman's hunger was insatiable. At last, Sita prayed to Ram. Ram appeared before Sita in her prayers and said, "Sita, serve a leaf of tulsi along with a morsel of food. Your problem will be easily solved." And finally, Hanuman felt full. Hanuman, supreme among the wise. Once, Lord Shiv visited Ram's court in Ayodhya. Ram welcomed Shiv with all respect. Ram then asked Hanuman to bring some fresh milk for Lord Shiv. Hanuman brought a pot full of fresh milk, but was struck in a dilemma. He thought, "How can I offer milk to Shiv when I am devoted to Lord Ram?" Suddenly, an idea struck his mind. He went to Ram and handed over the pot of milk to him. Seeing Ram's confusion, he explained, "Master, I know Lord Shiv is our guest. It will be dishonor if I hand over the pot of milk to him, as I am a mere servant. Lord, I would request you to hand over the milk to him." Shiv, who was witnessing this, came forward and embraced Hanuman. He said, "Hanuman, I am impressed by your wisdom and loyalty towards Ram. You will always remain blessed."
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.